If you're looking to create a simple NPS survey with one click, and you want it done fast, clean, and with zero fluff, this tutorial is all you need. I've tested the most popular platforms out there, and today I'll show you the fastest way to launch a fully functional NPS survey using software that just works. And if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial link for viewers of my channel in the description below. Now, before we dive in, here's the deal. We're not just slapping together a form. I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional-looking NPS survey that you can send out instantly without needing to learn a whole new platform. And there's one quick feature at the end of this video that most people miss, but it can instantly double your response rate. Stick around for that. Let's jump in. After signing up using the link below, log into the software. Once you're in, go to the dashboard. You'll see a Create New Survey button. Click that. From the template list, choose Net Promoter Score. This template is already optimized with the classic 0-10 scale and follow-up question asking why they gave that score. So you don't need to design anything from scratch. Next, name your survey. Something simple like customer feedback, April, works. Then choose your audience. You can import a contact list, sync it with your CRM, or manually add emails. Once your audience is selected, you'll land on the customization screen. This is where you can tweak the wording, branding, and thank you message. Most of the time, the default text is ready to go. If you want, add your logo or change the color to match your brand. It takes under a minute. Now here's the one-click part. Hit send now, or schedule it for later. That's it. You've just created and launched an NPS survey with one click. Once your survey is out, head to the Analytics tab. Here you'll see your real-time responses, NPS score, and open-ended feedback, all automatically compiled. You can export this data or share it with your team with a link. And here's that bonus tip I mentioned earlier. Under follow-ups, you can enable an automatic reminder for people who didn't respond. It's just a toggle switch, but it can boost your response rate by up to 50%, especially for cold or inactive lists. Key takeaway: you don't need to overthink this. With the right software, creating a simple NPS survey with one click is actually doable. It takes under 3 minutes and you're up and running with actionable feedback almost instantly. Quick recap. Sign up using the exclusive trial below. Log in and choose the NPS survey template. Customize the basics, brand it and set your audience, hit send or schedule it, check your analytics and activate auto reminders. If you're serious about getting feedback and improving your product or service, this is the fastest way to get started. I highly recommend grabbing the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it's the same software I use in all my campaigns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.